So today I'm going to introduce the flat screen on the flip and the fold. Right here you can see this is a folding phone. When you actually fold up, there is actually a feature called flat screen. You can see that, okay? On a folding phone, it's like this. On a flip phone, if you can see, it's actually right there as well too. You can see that. And this is a flip file as well. And two panel is a little bit different because one is skinnier, one is bigger. So I'm going to teach you how to do this first. On the folding phone, there is a huge panel right here. You can actually scroll like this, like a mouse, okay? You can actually double tap whatever you want, just like a computer. On the side right here, you can actually do what? You can actually do multitasking. You can open two windows at the same time, whatever you want, okay? And then at the same time, you can actually do the panel down. So if you have a notifications, it's very hard for you to scroll down. You can actually press this button and then the notification bar will come down as well too. Now the third button is actually the screenshot. If you take the screenshot, if you want to take a screenshot of the video or whatever, you can press that and it will take a screenshot instantly, just like that, okay? And now this one here is actually hiding the mouse pad right here, okay? It's gone. If you can see closely, right here, there's a bar right there, okay? Right there. If you look closely, there's a bar right here. This is actually the brightness of the phone, okay? Whatever you want. You want to play the video brighter, darker, anything you want. And then the next features is actually the three buttons, and then you can actually adjust your brightness, your sound, and the settings. And then right here in the settings, you can actually turn this off or turn this on. Some people don't want it, they want to turn it off. And then at the same time right here, there's a button right here. You can actually put that brightness on this side or that side. So let's just say I want it on the other side, okay? So now you can see my brightness is on this side right now. Okay, so some people like that, some people don't like that. It depends on you. Now let's talk about the Flip 5. So the Flip 5 here, you can see is very, very similar. One of the biggest differences, this is actually the bar to go forward or backward. You see that? And then it actually control, I'm not sure is this because of the YouTube, but you can actually fast forward, okay, anything you want. At the bottom here, you can see everything exactly the same. Even though I press this three dot button, everything looked the same. You can see that? So now you can see the difference between these two phones is the panel right here is like this, and then the panel here is way bigger than the Flip, as you can see, obviously, and then it looks much, much better, all right? Please subscribe my channel and share this video, and I will have another video very soon. This is the flat screen on the Samsung Galaxy Fold 6 and the Flip 5, all right? Have a good day. Bye-bye. Peace out.